Google Sheets is a powerful tool for basic data analysis. Start by importing your data either by copying it directly into a sheet or using File, then Import. Once your data is in, clean it by removing duplicates with data, then Data Cleanup, then remove duplicates and use filters to sort and narrow down specific rows. Next, use functions like sum, average, countif, and VLOOKUP to calculate trends or relationships. You can also apply conditional formatting under the Format menu to visually highlight important data like high or low values. For deeper insights, try creating a pivot table by going to Insert, then Pivot Table. This lets you summarize and break down large datasets quickly. Don't forget to use charts to visualize your findings. Just highlight your data and click Insert, then Chart. Whether you're tracking performance, expenses, or survey results, Google Sheets give you everything you need to make data-driven decisions all in the cloud.